Sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, we had that active day as forecast, and now we kind of take a deep breath, we exhale a bit, and we get into sort of a winter. You know, we had a real winter for a couple of days around Christmas, and now we get into a more normal type of winter and temperatures here around the First Coast as this front finally clears. So we'll have a few showers still lingering around early morning for Thursday as the main cold front finally clears. So in the morning, as we're getting ready, I know St. Johns County waking up back to school with the kids. Clay County got to go back as well. So everybody's more or less going to be back into the groove of things as we go tomorrow, with Duval County going back today. So let's have the light rain gear handy for the morning bus stop. For the afternoon, we are clear and we're a little bit cooler. All right, so mentioned a couple of the storm reports that we're getting out there. We had a couple of tornado reports in southeast Georgia. Bristol, this is in Pierce County, so just outside of Blackshear. Damage to sheds coming in there, obviously very rural. In Clinch County, the same sort of report. No massive damage reported there, but certainly some property, some trees snapped as well. Still waiting to get a report out of Woodbine, as National Weather Service will assess. We had several eyewitnesses at least calling into us and calling into the Weather Service saying they saw a tornado on the ground through Camden County into Woodbine. Right now, just a couple of hail reports there. In fact, golf ball size hail reported in Woodbine, about 2 inches worth of hail. So pretty big, pretty sizable, a pretty significant storm that brushed through as we had some of those warnings beginning about noontime today. All right, so the cooler air making its way through. We're still in the mid 60s as the front has not passed, and closer look, we're at 69 at the beach. Here's your front. Finally coming through by Thursday afternoon, it will have cleared, and you're going to know when the front has cleared when you're looking up in the sky tomorrow and you notice that big cirrus cloud shield move through, and we finally start to see more blue skies. The blue sky is a good thing, certainly, but that just means cool high pressure has moved over top, stabilizing the atmosphere. Here's your timing. So a couple of stray showers by 7, 8 o'clock if you're out towards the bus stop, St. Augustine. This is 9:30, could pick up a heavy downpour. There goes your cloud cover by Thursday evening, and then the temperatures begin to drop. So we're talking mid 70s for Thursday afternoon, but down to the 40s as we're waking up Friday morning, and only warming up to the low 60s Friday evening into Saturday as we're getting ready for our Jags game. We might have some cooler, more comfortable temperatures out there. So mid 70s once again, close to 80 at the beach. Cold front really gets through and the cooler air begins to move in as we get into Friday really and into Saturday. So here we go, Saturday 8:15 at the bank, the big one for all the marbles of the AFC South. There's your temperature, clear, cooler. If you're not going to be at the stadium, of course it is right here on ABC 25. You can watch your Jaguars bring it home. No, low to very little or no chances of rain really through the weekend.